In the African American population, for men it's prostate cancer, for women it's breast cancer. But when you look at what causes deaths, what people are dying from, in both men and women, it's lung cancer. So lung cancer is still a significant health problem because if you get diagnosed with lung cancer, it has a higher probability and tendency to take your life than some of the other cancers. So next slide. So these are slides that are looking on the left from 1975 until some of the latest data to about 2012. When you look at black men versus white men on the left and black women versus white women on the right, and you can see that over the years that the African American man had about a 30% higher risk of dying from lung cancer than the white male. But the good thing that you can see is that over the last 6 or 8 years, you're starting to see these curves converge and come together. So that's a good sign. And I think that's largely attributable to improvement in drugs and access to health and getting earlier diagnosis and those things. On the right side is just a graph showing that there's really not any difference between the black women and white women as far as their outcomes, and that's a good thing. So there's no disparity there. Next slide. This is just a slide that just shows cigarette consumption over the years. And so you can see a number of years ago, dating back to 1965, that by far and away the black male had smoked more cigarettes than anybody else. But the good thing that you can see is that from 1965 to now, that everybody has had substantial improvement in their cigarette consumption, including the black male now being close to the white male in that consumption. And hopefully we'll continue to see that migrate downward until hopefully someday